eyes, so it's gross. This lighting is also horrific, but it's fine, and it's very early in the morning right now. And I just got up. I've been trying to get up around 7 a.m. every day. I got up a little bit earlier today at 6:45 because I have to move my car because it's in a lot, but I have to move it at 7. So I got up a little bit early today. I just got dressed and I'm about to go on a little hike. So I'm excited. Gonna go move my car, go hike. I think I need to go grocery shopping as well. So then I'm going to a coffee shop, we're gonna work, there's probably some other lovely stuff happening today, so I just thought I would vlog a day in my life instead of a week of my life. So even though I look tragic right now, we're gonna fix this by getting some great outdoor air. Yeah, right. Also the sun's literally not up.
I mean, same.
Alright guys, we're on our hike. We did encounter a snake. We screamed, so now everybody knows we're here. So pretty, avoiding the leaves. I'm about to do a little grocery haul for you. Thank you to my amazing videographer. I guess you can't see the screen, can you? Can
No,
you too?
yeah. I'm like, I don't know what I'm filming.
Okay, first up we have coffee. We got some tortillas, some martini. I got this milk. This is the milk Emma Chamberlain uses. Nut pods, or the creamer, I guess. 2 peppers, some pesto, some baby tomatoes, and some butter. And then I also got some chips for this stuff. Yes, wow. I'm excited about that. We're gonna take it hot. I got 2 muffin mixes. I got blueberry and chocolate chip, so I can make those for breakfast. And then I also got chocolate chips to put in the chocolate chip one. And then from Aldi I got some ready to serve rice, some salmon, really exciting, some hummus, and some of these grapes that are Candy Heart. I think they're Candy Heart flavored, so I'm kind of scared, but they were the cheapest ones, so that is my lovely grocery haul. Wow.
Wow.
Breakfast made by my chef, Chef Casey. Hello guys, I just got back to my apartment and I've just been sitting all day. We went to the coffee shop for a little bit, and now I'm back home. I'm about to eat a quick little like late lunch, early dinner, and then we are actually going to a photo shoot with Austin and Danielle. I'll let you guys met both of them, I'm pretty sure. So, I also just got a little package from Amazon, and it's these. They are little fake tattoos. They're just like a bunch of them. They're like little flower ones, and I thought that they were cool. I don't know. I just always liked tattoos, and I was like, why not? Decide if I really want one. If I get annoyed with it, whatever. So I ordered these ones. I think these ones are like really pretty. They're just like dainty little ones. I like these little like flowery ones, the purple ones. Ooh, I'm obsessed with that one. That one's really cool. I really like these like purpley ones. I think they're pretty. This one's really pretty as well. Let's see. There's more of those. Oh, there's like a big one of these. So maybe I'll put one of those on. See what it looks like. Alright. I haven't put on fake tattoos in forever. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get ready, eat something.
Those are gorgeous.
Oh, wait.
These are really pretty good lighting. This is good lighting. This is good lighting. Get right here. Get right here. Get right here.
Wow. Wow, look at our chef.
Oh my god, you have like 2 people who cooked for you today.
Literally somebody wipe her up.
I'm
We're gonna be
scared.
doing a little taste test for you today. The beautiful Danielle made me dinner. Casey made me breakfast. I just
And I'm
truly,
taking photos of her.
No one cares.
I am just so thankful. I have a lot to write in my gratitude journal tonight.
I do that too.
Also, I've never, in my 4 years that I've been in school, have ever made food with any of my roommates. So.
Never made food.
Or
what?
they never made food for me either.
I made you dinner twice now.
I know. It's incredible.
I need Brie to cook me a meal now.
Cook. I'm pretty good at cooking. I can make you baked goods. I'm good at baked goods.
She's out of focus.
Well, I want baked goods.
Oh, okay.
Danielle, which one do you like of you?
I don't know.
I expect a 5-course meal from Brie.
Me too.
Oh,
She said no.
She's like, it's a no for me.
I really like this one of you and your little perk look. You look really cute.
that was cute.
Surprise me.
Surprise me. Surprise me.
I think the one we had last week was better.
This one's good. It's hot.
It is hot. Shacey,
hot.
what's your review?
I'm pretty good but it's hot.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of the vegetable medley though. These are.
You never liked the vegetables.
I know. I like broccoli,
I don't wanna say
and
I
that's
don't like
about
them.
it.
No, the rice is pretty good. 'Cause
Like,
that's
it's
how
good.
I eat my rice with veggies.
It tastes
Really?
good.
Okay.
I just, even my mom knows. I'm not a pea or a corn fan.
Had broccoli. Should have told me. I would have made you some.
I love this one of her too. What do you think?
Would have made yours special.
See how it looks different when you actually open it up.
I am making salmon tomorrow night if you want some.
This is different. This is not.
I don't like salmon, but thank
What
you for
happened
your
to the
offer.
original
You
style of the movie?
Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning and got up bright and early. I haven't really done much. I just laid in my bed and then I decided I'm gonna get up and make breakfast. I bought those muffins yesterday at Hy-Vee, so I just made some blueberry muffins so I can eat those for breakfast for the next few days. So that's how these turned out. Nice and goldeny brown, crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside. That's how we like them. So I'm about to bag them up and take some of them with me to a coffee shop and then leave the rest for the rest of this week. So yeah, I'm about to get ready. I pretty much already am. This is the fit for today. Yeah, about to go to a coffee shop, do some work. Kind of sad because all of the trees that are like right by my apartment, literally all the leaves are gone. Like literally every single leaf is gone off of the tree, which is really sad because it's barely even fall, and some of the leaves haven't changed yet, but that one's already bare, so kind of sad. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it's a little while later. I just ate my breakfast and I'm about to have my last ever advising appointment for spring semester, which is kind of crazy. That's the last one. My classes are going to be kind of hard next semester. I'm taking database management, analyzing communication business data, database decision making and marketing, and strategic management, which is basically my capstone. So I have a lot of like data analytics because I'm doing the data analytics certificate. So I have a lot of that. So it's going to be rough, but excited for my last ever advising appointment. Hello everyone. so it is several hours later. It's like 4 p.m. right now, and I just got back to my apartment. We've just been studying all day, me and Casey, and so I'm going to study a little bit more for like the next 2 or so hours, and then Casey is going to come over to my apartment at 6, and we are going to make dinner. I'm going to make her dinner, and then we are going to watch The Bachelorette. So really exciting stuff. I'm excited for The Bachelorette tonight, even though I know it doesn't last that long. I'm sure they'll make it so incredibly dramatic. I will vlog later when we are making dinner, and of course I will give you some updates on my thoughts and feelings about The Bachelorette later. But I'm going to grind out some homework right now so that I can like relax tonight, pop open a bottle of wine, and enjoy some quality time. So I'm gonna go study, and I will see you guys later.
A lot of different ways, but how I
Thank
think
you.
is that
Ew.
Like, yeah, so fun.
No. What happened?
That's a really wacky.
What were you doing?
Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday. I just had to think what day of the week it is. I just got out of the shower. Just did a quick little shower. What am I even talking about? I don't know. I just made some muffins. I made them yesterday. I just warmed them up, put some butter on them, and I made a new coffee drink this morning. I've been loving my Starbucks dairy-free creamer. It's amazing. But Miss Emma Chamberlain, my idol, really love her. She uses Nut Pod creamer, and the other day when I was in the grocery store, I saw it and I was like, I think that I'm gonna try that. So it's just caramel creamer. It's kind of expensive for how tiny it is, but I wanted to try it because she uses it, so it has to be good. She's the coffee guru, so. It's okay, it's not bad. I didn't put that much in it though, since it's a pretty small thing. I think it probably needs more milk because she usually puts milk in and then she puts in the creamer. I didn't do that. So next time I'm probably gonna put both the milk and the creamer in the frother and do it that way, and maybe, you know, it'll make it a little more zesty. It's supposed to be caramely though, and I don't really taste any caramel, so a little upset about that. Alright guys, I am all set up for my little lunch snack. I made it through most of the videos I need to watch for my exam tonight. I just have like 2 more left. I'm having grapes, this cheese dip with salsa mixed in. I know it looks a little gross, but it tastes good. And then just these corn tortilla chips. So that is the spread for lunch today. I'm just gonna watch a little bit of a show for a little break, and then I have class at 12:30, so I have like 20 minutes before I have class, and I'll continue studying. I have a meeting, I'll continue studying, and I'll actually take my exam tonight. So really exhilarating and fun day. Obviously, is this zoomed in? What the world? Okay, better. All right. Hello. I'm about to make some pasta. We got this, some tomatoes, rotini, and our pesto. So, hopefully it doesn't taste bad.
Yeah.
I just got done. I did create this very healthy meal based off of things that I've ate from Trader Joe's. It was like a frozen meal with pesto and a bunch of like vegetables in it. I think they had zucchini in those as well, so I'll make sure to put that in there another time, but I'm gonna try it in front of you guys. I'm scared, I'm not gonna lie. This tastes pretty similar. It's so easy. It's just rotini with pesto, and then you can put whatever vegetables you want in it. I think they had zucchini, tomatoes, and just like bell peppers. I didn't put zucchini in it, but you can definitely put that. I just forgot to buy zucchini from the store. This is healthy, I think. I would definitely add, if you need like protein, add like chicken. You could even do this with like salmon or something like that. And then I use onion powder, pepper, and then I just topped it all off with lemon juice. I just squeezed half a lemon over the top. That's like an optional step. I just love lemon. I think it just adds a little zest to everything. Yeah.
Not the 2x4 being
We
so.
love this.
Hey vlog. So I was trying to go to bed and saw a small puddle of water and got scared, so I called Bree and Mary Kate and just screamed until everyone came to me. So we went upstairs. The light was flooded with water, and now there's holes in our ceiling. And this is full of our drywall from our ceiling. That's our ceiling.